Guten Tag. Okay, what are we talking about today?
Molar mass conversions. We're going between moles and grams now that we know how to calculate molar mass.
Okay, so if you don't remember molar mass, you got to go back to that other video. All right, so let's start by doing just moles to grams. Moles to grams. Okay, so we know that every 1 mole of water has a mass of, do you remember?
18.015 grams in 1 mole of water.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's in every 1 mole.
Okay.
So if I have 2 moles, I have twice the mass.
Yeah, so I'd have 1 mole is 18.015. 2 moles would be double that, which, what, 36.030? I mean, just double it, right?
Yep. So, and you can also use the train tracks, which you're going to have to get comfortable with. So write 2 moles,
Sorry, excuse me.
and then 18.015 grams per 1 mole. So you notice here that your mole and mole cancels. So whatever you're solving for stays in the numerator. And that will equal 36.030 grams. Now it's just grams because it's the mass of 2 moles. Okay? Now you can also do this. Let's say we had a smaller amount. So if I had half a mole, then I'm going to have half the mass. So you think it's going to be around 9. So 0.5 moles, same thing, set up your train tracks, be 18.015 grams per 1 mole would equal 9.0075 grams. What do you got there?
I have a puppy.
A puppy.
Yeah, I have a sleepy puppy. So I was wondering, so let's say this sleepy puppy represents 1 mole of puppy,
Okay.
right? So sleepy puppy, 1 mole of puppy, she is about 10 kilograms, right? What if I cut her in half?
Then you'd have half a mole of a puppy.
I'm not going to cut her in half. That's just evil. But I'd have half a mole of puppy, so she'd be not 10 kilograms. She'd be 5. Half a mole of puppy is 5 kilograms. This is my puppy.
Hi, Melly.
So, go back to sleep.
Okay.
All right.
On that note, let's do the opposite conversions.
So now we're going to
Let's
go from
do
grams to moles?
Grams to moles.
Great. You want some chocolate?
I wonder what the chemical formula of chocolate is.
C7H8N4O2.
Wow,
Theobromine.
Must have had that written down somewhere.
I just knew it. Come on.
Okay, this is the chemical formula of chocolate, which has a molar mass of 180.164 grams in 1 mole. So that's in 1 mole, we have that many grams. That would be a whole lot of chocolate.
Yeah, it would be.
So how many grams do we have there?
I think it's about like 18 grams or so. 18
Okay.
grams.
So let's say we have 18 grams. Let's figure out how many moles that would be. So 18.0 grams, same thing, set up my train tracks, except this time I'm solving for moles.
Okay.
So I put 1 mole on the top and my molar mass on the bottom because I want grams to cancel.
Oh, so
Grams.
the
Grams.
what you're given goes on the top left.
Right.
Got it. I was confused about that for a second.
Well, you were busy getting your puppy.
I'm sorry.
So this, if you do the math, and remember your sig figs, I need 3 sig figs, I would have 0.100 moles in that cup of chocolate. Okay.
Good.
So now I don't have 18 grams anymore.
Yeah, you got about 9 grams now.
Oh, okay, so let's calculate again. How many moles are left? I figure it's going to be half the amount, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, let's calculate it to make sure. There are 9 grams, and
So 9 grams, 1 mole in the numerator, 180.164 grams in the denominator. They cancel. And I'm left with 0.050, again, remember your sig figs, moles.
so you got that by multiplying the 2 top numbers together, divided by the bottom number.
Yep, divided by molar mass. So moles to grams, you are multiplying by molar mass. Grams to moles, you are dividing by molar mass.
And we're out of chocolate. That means we're out of time.
Auf Wiedersehen!